Let's learn 5 phrases that will help you sound more confident in any conversation. Phrase 1. I believe so. Use this when you agree but want to sound thoughtful. Example: will this plan work? I believe so. It sounds confident and polite. Phrase 2. That's a great question. Say this when someone asks something you need time to think about. Example: that's a great question. Let me explain. It gives you a second to organize your thoughts. Phrase 3. I see your point. Use this when you want to show respect for another person's opinion. Example: I see your point, but here's another idea. This keeps the talk positive and confident. Phrase 4. Let me think about it. A smart way to sound calm instead of rushing to answer. Example: can you decide now? Let me think about it. Simple, clear, and confident. Phrase 5. From my perspective. Use this to share your opinion politely. Example: from my perspective, teamwork is the key to success. It makes your opinion sound professional and strong. Confidence comes from practice, so try using these phrases in your next conversation. Remember, calm voice, clear words, confident you.